This is Connor Galvin, a project manager with Kelly Roofing, here to do the tile roof inspection for a new tile roof at 27470 Pelican Ridge Circle in Bonita Springs. Before getting on the roof here, I noticed a couple of things. The first thing is at the edge here you have this perimeter detail, which is called your eave riser. Your eave riser has these weep holes here where if the water ever gets underneath the tile, it is supposed to allow it to alleviate itself and get off the roof. However, you have a concrete eave riser, and concrete is not recommended. The reason being is that it actually promotes water damming. So if the water ever gets underneath the tiles here, it can actually have the potential to dam up at the perimeter here and cause perimeter leaks and rot out your fascia. We will replace this eave riser with the new metal 26 gauge galvalume eave riser around the whole entire perimeter of the house when we redo your roof. We'll also replace your drip edge on the whole entire perimeter of the house. And if we do come across a case where the eave riser has caused some fascia rot at the perimeter, we will replace your fascia at an additional cost of $7.50 per week. Up here on the roof now, as I walk on the tiles, you can hear how brittle they're starting to become. It is a sign that the roof is getting older and should be replaced. Also, you have these vent details as well as these lead stack flashing details here. And you can see that it looks like some repairs were made to put some sealant around there to try to keep the water from getting underneath there. And it looks like you were actually at one time missing you're still missing what's called top flashing around all of these details. So that means that when the roof was installed, they never put any type of top flashing. They only put flashing underneath the tiles, which would leave a void for water to get underneath there. That's probably why the sealant was put in there in the first place, but however, sealant will break down over time. So when we redid your roof, not only will we put base flashing or underneath the tiles, we'd also put the primary flashing, the top flashing, on top of the tile, so that way there's no chance for water to get underneath there, even in a wind-driven rain that we have in the summertime. So all of these will be replaced, and they'll also be painted to match your tile. On the other side of the roof here, you have two small valley details, and these are responsible for channeling water off the roof. However, the valley details that you have are an open valley detail where they have an exposed underlayment. You can see the felt paper and how deteriorated it has become over the years. We'll actually replace this open valley detail with a new metal valley detail that has no underlayment there. Instead, it will rely on a W channel of metal to get the water off there. Another issue is at the base of your valleys. Again, like your vent details, you're missing what's called top flashing right here at this junction. So all the water is rushing down from up here, and then it gets to this point and all the water is damming up here or running underneath the tiles. We'll actually put top flashing here to carry it over top the tiles and then off the roof system from here. Not only are you missing the top flashing there, but you're also missing it at your wall details as well. So we will install it at your wall details to prevent any wind-driven rain from getting underneath the tiles, and also so that no water can get under there, period. Here I see that you have some solar panels. If you would like us to discard the solar panels and just throw them away, there's no charge for discarding of them. However, if you like to reinstall them, there will be a charge of $115 per solar panel that has to be reinstalled. So we'll need to discuss that a little bit.